Okay, this is the assorted bag. Fireworks City Super Value Display Assortment. And so there's a bunch of different things in here. We're just going to see what they are. This one, what do we say we start with this one? This is a 96 shot color pearl flowers with report. Oh boy, there's a Wicca in there.
Oh gosh, it's the one thing.
Oh, it is. Let's see. It should be ready to go. I'm not sure if we took that paper off or not.
I doubt it.
I doubt it too.
Let's see what it says.
Warning: shoots flaming balls and reports. Use only under close adult supervision. That rules us out. For outdoor use only. Do not hold in hand. Place upright and use only on concrete, asphalt, or other hard, level surface. We'll put it on that rock over there. This item may tip if used on grass or other uneven surface, and serious injury could occur. Never have any part of your body over this device when lighting the fuse. Light fuse and get away. Never relight a fuse which fails to ignite the device. Okay, so we're just going to leave the paper on. Let's go over here to the rock. We'll set the mortar tube aside for now. And this looks like...
Where's the fuse? Oh, on the side right there.
Yep.
Get a picture of that.
So, you ready for me to light the candle?
Mm-hmm.
There we go. We're going to light the candle. And at this point, looks like you can douse the flashlight and start to back away a little bit. Because once this goes, it's going to... Ready?
Yep.
Here it goes.
Wow. Wowee.
That was pretty cool.
It was.